I've got a question for you. Have you ever wanted to put your whole group of mates into a famous movie scene or a viral dance trend all at once? Well, I've come across a mind-blowing AI tool that swaps multiple faces in the very same video, and the results are unbelievably realistic. Alright then, ladies and gents, as I said, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to introduce you to none other than what's called VidMash. You heard that right. So let's crack on and get straight into it. So the first thing I'm actually going to show you is how you can swap several different faces in a single video, right? So first things first, you need to make sure you use the link down below in the description. You need to sign up and then you'll be able to log in. And if we have a look right here, we've got what's called face swap. We can actually go over here to multi-face swap. So they've got both photo and video options. So I'm going to start off with a video, and then after that, we'll move on to the photo. All right. So first things first, as you can see here, you'll be able to select a video. And if you didn't know, they've got a huge library down below that you can actually pick from. Right. So for example, we can just click on this one here and it'll upload automatically. So it's really easy and straightforward. All right. So obviously, when it comes to video, it's great to use, especially if there are 2 or more people, which is really important, right? So just to show you, you can see here that we've got 2 people, right? 2 women to be precise. All right, so it's pretty easy and straightforward, yeah. And then after that, you'll be able to, play the video, check it out, see exactly what it looks like. Easy and simple, right? Then after that, as you can see here, we've got 2 different faces, yeah? So you'll be able to upload these faces, right? You'll be able to upload images to the faces, which is actually pretty cool and really impressive. So the AI here, just so you understand, will automatically detect the different faces in the video and show them as separate slots. Right. So as you can clearly see, we've got 2 here, which is good. All right, let's pause this and let's go ahead and add some faces, yeah? So we're going to do this face here and this face here, right? We're just going to take 2 selfies there of some older gents and we'll see how it turns out. We're going to go ahead and click here. So you've already seen exactly what the video looks like, so let's go ahead and swap the faces, yeah? So it's pretty easy and straightforward. As I mentioned, you just upload different source photos for each specific face slot you want to replace. Alright, then obviously the AI will take care of the rest, right? It'll be able to handle all the face rendering, and that's it, guys. Alright, so as you can see here, we've got the full video. Once again, let's go ahead and enlarge that here. And you can see it right here. So it actually looks pretty cool, doesn't it? So you can clearly see there's definitely a difference here. I want you to understand this. This is VidMash, as I mentioned. Yeah, and it's advanced AI. It doesn't just do single faces. It can accurately track and map multiple identities within complex moving video scenes, as you can clearly see, right? Which is brilliant, isn't it? So it keeps the overall expressions and lighting natural for every single person that's swapped. Alright, next, I want you to understand, as I mentioned, we also have what's called multi-face mapping, which actually works flawlessly for static group photos as well. Alright, so as I mentioned, we've done a video and now we're going to move on to the photos. Alright, so I want you to understand, not just videos, but also photos. It can create hilarious custom thumbnails. Or even, let's say, event posters, right? So up here, you're just going to go to what's called multi-face swap. We're going to click on that. And as you can see, once again, you'll be able to choose. There are loads of different pictures down here, right? You've got a whole gallery. Bear in mind, you can actually upload your own, right? Your own group, whatever you fancy doing. Okay, so let's go ahead and just pick one out here. Let's go ahead and pick this one. And we'll actually enlarge it for you really quickly so you can see exactly what it looks like. So there we have it. So it's pretty easy and straightforward to do. Then after that, the AI will be able to detect the faces, which is good. So we're going to go ahead and upload some images. So we're going to do this one here, and then we'll do another one just here. So for example, we've got 2 older gentlemen. All right, both of them have moustaches. They're sort of like little selfies here, which is actually pretty cool. So remember, you can assign your friends or colleagues source photos to the detected slots, right? You can do whatever you like, all right? So we'll be able to click right here, face swap. So I want you lot to understand, what really makes this tool stand out is that it doesn't get confused when characters cross paths or when they move their heads, all right? It's very important that you understand that. So despite processing multiple faces at once, the rendering speed is incredibly fast. as you can see right now. So you can actually get your final photo, and not just that, but video as well, within minutes. So you'll see it right here. We'll be able to go over it, yeah? Pretty cool, isn't it? You can clearly see that. So I have to admit, it looks pretty awesome, doesn't it? The AI here works brilliantly. So once again, you lot, you can easily preview it. Which face goes where before you hit render, all right? Remember that, very important. So you never accidentally swap the wrong people. All right, so when it comes to VidMudge multiple face swap technology, it usually lets you instantly insert several friends, colleagues, or family members into any video or photo with pinpoint accuracy. All right, I want you to genuinely like what you do. Right, if you like what you've created, just click download and you're good to go. All right, so very important, everyone. All right, so make sure you check it out and let me know exactly what you think. You can always swap things out. It's easy and simple. There you go. Ladies and gents, stop leaving your mates out of the fun and start making epic group face swap videos. Check out the link below or give Vimage a go and grab your free trial today. And not only that, make sure you hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.